everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my Sephora Play box, or my Play by Sephora box. I actually got this last week, but I've been so busy with school that I haven't even had a chance to sit down and film anything, or I haven't even opened it. It's just been sitting here. Like, the PlayStation controller's been sitting on it. Like, it's just been, like, buried a little bit. So, if you guys want to see what I got in my April 2018 Sephora Play box, Play by Sephora box, then just keep watching. There we go. Alright, I got another 50 Beauty Insider points, which I didn't use my last one. It's still sitting here. When does this one expire? In a few days? Yeah, maybe I'll go use this one. I mean, I work at Ulta, so I never go to Sephora. What if Ulta had a subscription box? Come on, Ulta, get with it. So I get 50 beauty points. Oh, that's going to destroy it? Whatever. I'll leave that there. So, this month's theme is Insta Beauty Bucket List for all of you Insta Beauty models. I'm not. Get selfie ready in a snap. So, this is all about selfies. Our bag this month says, make it snappy. Whoa. Okay, so the first sample is the new Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finishing Powder from IT Cosmetics. Right here. I've never used IT Cosmetics before, but I have wanted to. So, it claims that it is airbrushing in a powder, blurs imperfections for flawless skin, anti-aging with silk collagen and antioxidants, universal translucent shade for all skin tones. It is cruelty-free, no parabens. It makes your pores disappear. How do I open it? Oh! A little plastic compact. It's kind of weird. Okay, so here's what it looks like when it opens up, and then there's a little sponge that I can't get a hold of. Ah! There's a little spongy, and there is a plastic shield over it. How do I get you off? Come off. Here's what the powder looks like. It's really, really soft. I'm going to put a little bit of it on my nose right now because it's really shiny for some reason today. So I'm just taking I think this is an e.l.f. Kabuki brush that I've had for a long time. Just going to take a little bit. Whew. Did it make my pores disappear? Cool, that is something that I will really enjoy using. Next, we have a perfume sample. This is Miu Miu Leo Rosé. It is a soft floral blend that exudes fresh and sophisticated femininity with an edgy musk. Perfume samples are pretty cool. So in a little spray bottle. Yeah! Oh, that does smell good. It is kind of, I don't use a lot of musky scents. That is musky. Musky just like equals manly to me for some reason. Which is fine. Look at me sexualizing smells. It's pretty. I like that. That smells really, really nice. Okay, next is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. When I got the email that said they were sending Makeup Forever HD, I thought they were sending me a sample of their foundation, but it's not. So, it's a skin tint. Look at that, it's dark. How? Like, I would have to be so tanned for this color. Let's see. It's in the shade 06. Yeeky! Oh, it just went everywhere! I just wanted to get some on my fingers so I could swatch it. And it just... Okay, so here's what it looks like on the finger. Here is the skin tint. That, they're orange and very tan. Well, interesting. Maybe if I get really tan this summer. Okay, next is Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. That's really pretty packaging. Really pretty purple. A nice shiny lid. I have been wanting to try a mattifying primer for a really long time, so I'm actually pretty excited to try this one. I think I will use this tomorrow when I'm getting ready for the day. It claims that this mattifying formula is the best preemptive step for looking flawless in surprise photos. It feels weightless, yet keeps shine at bay. Plus, it fills in lines and visually reduces the size and shape of pores both immediately and over time. Cool. Peter Thomas Roth is a really high-end brand. Prestige is what we call it at Ulta. It's a prestige brand. Two more. Here we have the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask Seaweed Radiance Facial. The packaging is really pretty. Oh, I have been loving masking, and getting samples of masks is great. I'm like working through all of the samples I've been getting so I can make a video about them. Comes in a really nice jar like this. And it looks like it has seeds in it. Probably. Oh my gosh. Facial in a flash. 5-minute facial in a jar that targets dull, rough, and dry skin, which is here. And here. This refreshing, creamy mask restores your skin's natural glow with its blend of seaweed, green algae, and lotus seed. That's probably why it looks like it has seeds in it, because it does. It'll leave your skin moisturized and feeling baby soft. Plus, mask selfies are totally trending. I only post about my masking on my Snapchat, which I don't give out to everyone. Because I also swear a lot on my Snapchat. I also swear a lot here. I don't know. I'm more vulnerable on my Snapchat, and so I keep that mostly to friends. Anyway, use up to 3 times a week. Nice. Last thing is a sample of Urban Decay's Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Come in this little folder. I mean, it's a piece of paper that's folded, so it's a folder. It comes in 20 addictive shades, and I got the shade SPL. Whatever that means. That's what I have. I've never used anything from Urban Decay. Here's the tiny, tiny, tiny sample. Really cute. Let's see what it looks like on. I don't know if that will go with this lip color at all, because this is incredibly pink and sparkly. Got just a tiny little doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, that's intensely sparkly. really, really glittery, which is interesting, but I think that's a pretty topper. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my Play by Sephora box. I would say, probably a 5 out of 6 for me because the skin tint is just not my shade. In my profile, it says I have very fair skin, and I like the fairest of them all. And they sent me a really tan shade. I don't go outside. I'm kidding. I do. Briefly. Running between buildings. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! When they turn down the lights, I hear my battle symphony. Please just don't give up on me, and my armor breaks. I'll fuse it back together. I haven't even had a chance that I... Alright, what are tweezers for if not to rip open tape, right? Apparently tweezers are not for ripping open tape. Here's what the Okay, I have had this swatch on for a week. I wash my hands more than any living human being. And I've showered and I've gone swimming. Please just don't give up on me and my armor breaks. I'll fuse it back together. Battle symphony. Please just don't give up on me and my eyes are wide awake. Okay, that perfume actually smells so good. If I fall, if I should probably clean this up so Devin doesn't come home to an absolute pigsty. Like he always does, because I'm an unbearable person to live with. If I fall, move your feet up off the ground.